going to be explaining how you can create a perfect design that will fit perfectly in whatever mockup you want to use. So the first thing you need to do is to have downloaded the mockup, make inquiry and search for the mockup you want to use. So after downloading the mockup, you then move on to Photopea to check out the exact size of the design you'll be needing before you start creating your designs. So you do have a perfect mockup. So you just search for the website. The name of the website where you edit the mockup is Photopea. So this is it. So once you open the website, you have something like this. Then you tap on open from computer. Open from computer. This you tap on it. Then you tap on open from computer. And after tapping on it, you select the mockup file. But one thing you should know is when you download the mockup files online, observe the surface that is added at the back. If it's in zip format, you need to unzip the mockup. Now the mockup I downloaded is in zip format and I've unzipped it to a folder. So I'll be making another video on how you can unzip your mockup file, but it's something you should do easily. There is an app, Z Archivers app. You can download the app to extract your mockup, and some mobile phones automatically can extract the zip files. So I would hold on to select the mockup file where I've placed it. Then this is the folder where I placed it. So one thing you should also notice is there are some mockup files that won't open on Photopea based on the device capacity. So my phone is 4 GB RAM, and I tried to load this mockup of about 300 MB. It could not load the mockup, so I had to get other mockup. So this mockup of 51 MB it load, this one of 150 MB it loads, but the one of this 300 MB it could not load the mockup. So I'll just be selecting this mockup here, this sachet mockup. So once you tap on it, it loads. If it takes longer time to load, that's because probably your device RAM is low or the mockup style is too big. So just wait and let it load. So once it's finished loading, you then move on to this layer icon here. You can see it's like 3 squares stacked over one another. Yeah. And then once you tap on it, you now select where you look for where the smart object is. That is where you're going to place your design. So this is where you have front. You tap on this arrow here so you can expand and see the other layers. You can see where we have placed your design, this part here. You open it and then come to this layer icon at the top here. Tap on layer, then you come to smart objects, then you tap on open. So once you open this smart object, you can see it said place your design here. So what you need to do is tap on this place back, then you save this page. You come to file, come to export as, then you tap on JPEG, then you tap on, you can increase this to 100, then you tap on save. So I guess it's still loading. Yeah, so once you tap on save, you should see a pop-up here, and you tap on download. So I should have opened this download, but if I open it, the website would clear my work. So let me just make a tutorial on how you can add the design to the mockup file. I'll go back to what you do with the picture you downloaded. So I've already created the design based on the size of the picture I've downloaded before. Yeah, so you now need to do what? Come to open and place. So you're trying to place your design on that place, on that page. So let me select the design I've created. So coming over, this is the front page. So I'll be selecting the front page of my design. So this is the front page of my design. So the design I created, you see, to fit perfectly on the mockup because I created the design based on the exact size of the mockup. So you can see it's fitting perfectly. Then you come here, this layer here, you tap on this, then you tap on this delete icon here. You can see it here. So once you tap on it, you've deleted it. Then you come to this file again. You save smart objects. That is, you are replacing the smart objects there. You can see it says smart objects updated. Then you come back here. Then you can see you have your mockup file on the first page already. Then you tap on the layer also. The one for back, you've edited the front PSD file already. Then smart objects. Then you come to back. Then you can see where you have place your design. So depending on the mockup file you're downloading, it's usually come in different formats. So that's why I'm not emphasizing on the fact that this is exactly what you see. So depending on the mockup file you downloaded, whoever created the mockup will arrange it differently. So just look for the smart object where you have to place your design. There's most time there will be an indication of place your design here as it is in this mockup. So like I've done before, you come to layer, you tap on smart objects, you open it, then you tap on file, open and place. You select the PSD from your design. So I'm going to select the back page of my design. So you can see it's automatically the size. So you have issues with adjusting it, and you tap on this, then you delete it. Then don't forget to always save your smart object. Tap on file, then save smart object, and then come back here also. Yeah, so you can see you've already created the mockup. Then for you to save your work, you tap on file, export as JPEG, JPG, that's JPEG. Then you wait while it loads, then tap on save. Then you are waiting a pop-up where you be asked to download. So download. So you download now. So how you can create the exact size for the mockup so it will fit perfectly. You come to your Pixel Lab app, and you can just create a new project from the beginning. Then you remember you downloaded the page of the mockup, the transparent white background. You come to your background, then select the image from gallery. So you can see this is the image I downloaded from the mockup, from the smart object before placing my design. So you tap on it. So you mark. So you'll be using this size. So this is the size to get a perfect mockup. So you'll be using this size to create your design. So you can then go ahead to change the color, but make sure you're using this size. Once you create your design using this size, you would have a perfect mockup. So whenever mockup you are downloading, first of all, check out the smart object. After checking the smart object, you create the design based on that size. Then you go over to use the mockup. So if you check the design I created, I made use of the size, and I think here is the design. So here's the design, and if you check it, the image size, you can see I just doubled it because I saved in Ultra. So that's why you have 5,000 by this, but it's exactly the same dimension. So that's why I was able to have a perfect mockup. So, and this is the mockup we also downloaded. So you can see it. Okay, now this is not it. And so here's the mockup we downloaded. You can see it's perfect. It's as if it's so real. So that's because I created the design based on the size of the mockup I downloaded.